Pollen.
Pollen. Oh, yeah, the pollen.
Terrence Hicks says he put the pollen all over for us. Make it real no prep. Make it a real challenge.
Oh my God.
You know me. No prep is no prep. Water burnout only.
Yo, the tractor right there, clean up the track. He's great.
No, he's got it. He's got the whole big brush. He's got all the machines out there. I give him a lot of credit. It don't matter what they do.
Yeah, it kind of just peels it. Right?
Kick one is kitting off, kit one. Kit two is going to kick right in. That's all you're going to get on my car. It ain't going to work?
It'll work eventually.
Wow.
Like mine eventually kicked on, but it took a couple minutes.
Well, anyway, we'll just tell everybody what we're doing here. We're out here. Pro Rack 56. You want to tell the people? You never talk. Come on out here. Tell the people what's going on.
It's raining.
And where are we at?
We at Virginia.
The Holiday Inn.
Holiday Inn in Virginia. I don't know what the hell town this is.
King George, I think?
King George.
Colonial Beach.
Colonial Beach Dragway, 8th mile, no prep.
There we
Tomorrow
go.
is the big day.
Tomorrow's a big day, and today we're chilling at the Holiday Inn, grilling. A little bit of rain.
Stay and dry.
Trying to. Tommy's out there
Tommy's
trying
getting
to.
wet.
Yep, he's trying to get the live stream to work. It's not working for him.
That's what he does. Bam! I'm out. White lightning to the front. I'm gonna bang him out. Little hippie lips, you know what I'm saying? These guys are in trouble, man. They don't know the white lightning, the juice, the power. When I'm in there, it's like being in my office. I'm in the office. That's it. I'm like at the computer. Tink, tink, tink. I grab the steering wheel. I grab a whole shitload of buttons.
Put a little work.
Out. White lightning. Out.
Candles lit.
Candles lit. Get them while they're hot. Oh, Tommy! Yo, my boy! What's going on? Peace offering. Just fresh off the grill, man. Fresh off the grill. Come on over. Come on. Come on down.
Go. Stay right here.
They got the dog.
Hey, man.
Come on, brother. I got this.
That number 1 a.m. pizza.
That is 100 the pro guy at 56. My man Glenn. Now Glenn's a driver. He's a National Geographic driver.
Jesus.
He's Dragway. He's a Dragway driver. Like Troy LaCone and those guys. They got real street cars driving all over the place. That's another guy I give credit to is Troy LaCone.
What's he doing?
Troy? He's out of Missouri. He's got a badass, I think it's a 68, 69 coming out. Beautiful car. Beautiful car. And it's fast. He's always wheels up.
Nice shot.
Yeah, he's a street animal. He's another good guy. Water burnout only, no sticky icky. He's always up for a race. He's pretty cool. Cool dude. Nice guy. He's always out there. He's always hitting it out there somewhere. Missouri, honestly, the people in Missouri when we were out there, top notch. Good people. I thought they were great, actually. We've been very lucky with all the fans and the people that's been supporting us.
Oh, yeah.
The people have been epic. We're very lucky to have it. We're very lucky.
Yeah.
The support has been